Hello, people. So, there is this Japanese show called Border, which is all about this particular some Japanese gentleman who gets, I don't know, he's a cop, no, he's a detective who happens to have this bullet that gets lodged in his brain. It's a thing, but it is such that it gives him paranormal abilities, as in he can start seeing dead people. So this is a Japanese show about this crime investigator who is often visited by the murder victim's soul or spirit at the site of the murder itself, and that murder victim the spirit helps him find the killer. So it is quite fascinating, the very premise of the show. Um, so do try and catch it, people. It's called Border, and you can find it on Netflix, because I think these are unique shows. And when, like I said, I want to learn the Japanese language, and when you watch something from a different culture, you understand, your understanding grows. So it's called Border, and it is on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.